Xrsbeauty. I love the packaging of this. Just give me, you know, a different kind of vibe. I don't know, the color of the box kind of close to, you know, I get a little wavy. It just give one luxury vibe. I like it. So, you know, it just has the name of the company. It has your natural hair. You know, it's nice and simple. So that's the ribbon that came on it. So when I first opened the box, I see the wig. Oh, they nicely packaged. Sorry. So they nicely packaged everything on the inside. Oh, we got stuff in this package. So I got a white tooth comb. I have a double-sided edge brush. Love getting these. You guys know this already, right? Got extra elastic band. I have a wig cap. And I got some perm rods. It's a long time, well, rods, flexi rods. It's a long time since I've used these. They come in handy though. So yeah, that's everything that came in today's packaging. Okay guys, so today's wig is a 14-inch bob. It's 200% in density. It's a nice blunt cut. Now this give me like a natural Indian hair kind of vibe. So this is actually one of those revertible wigs, because you see I come having this blow dried look. You can wet it up and it gets very curly, and I've showed you guys similar wigs to this before. So it's one of those versatile wigs, and you can go ahead and blow dry it after it's curly and straighten it back and get it nice and sleek. And when you go wet it up again, it's nice and curly. So it's very versatile. So it comes pre-plucked and it's also pre-bleached. Okay, so this is a 13 by 6 parting, and this is how the inside look. You can clearly see that it's bleached. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside. It has an extra elastic band and adjustable straps in the back. It's really gorgeous, and it comes with a nice little center part, but you can really part it anywhere. You know, well, the most space is in the middle portion, as you can see. So it's very fluffy, very full. Am I getting any shedding? I got like one strand. Got one strand. Haven't gotten any more. Yeah, so so it's not a lot. I only got one strand. It feels so strong and thick and nice and fluffy. So I love that. I can't wait. I'm excited to go ahead and install this right now. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Let's go.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
So one detail I forgot to share with you guys is that this lace is actually regarded as a clear lace. Since recently I've been working with a number of clear laces, and they appear to be way more like easier to melt into the skin. It's way more undetectable, kind of like how you have the Swiss lace, because it's basically like almost the same, but it's really nice. Like it melts right down. So yeah, no, I'm just gonna do my edges. I had to get that out the way and let you guys know.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking.
Okay guys, so now I'm done with laying my edges, and yes, I went extra with it. But the thing that I want to go in and show you now, I just want to wet up a piece of the hair so I can get it really curly for you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna use water, right? So you see, it's just gradually getting curlier and curlier. Guys, I'm going to let out this side so you can see it. This is just like a blow dried look over here, and then over here it's now curly, and look at that, and it's so fluffy and full. Look at that, it just changed right before your eyes. So guys, it's full on curly. Look at that, that is gorgeous. And then over here just have that blow dry. So what I'm gonna do is get this all, I'm gonna blow dry this back now. So we put it to the test. So now we're going to get it draped.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck going in my way, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to.
Now I'm just gonna move ahead and listen. Lace melted. So, listen, you can minus the baby hairs. You don't have to do it. I did the most. Okay, I did the most. But I'm gonna jump into straightening it now. That's what I'm gonna do.
And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear.
So this, it genuinely feels like a blowout. Okay, it feels like a natural hair blowout. So I didn't do it all the way bone straight. Like, to get this bone straight, you have to go through it. Like, you know, when you have nice thick natural hair, you have to do like really small sections. So what I did, I just did like nice flowy straight but still like full, super full look, because to be honest, this hair texture is not like regular hair texture where you know, it's gonna get like super bone straight in one go. And that's just the honest, like my honest opinion. Like, you can't get it like bone straight. And my flat iron is pretty good. I'm using the same clip posy, and you guys know that this flat iron gets hair bone straight. I went ahead and fixed the parting, but yeah guys, this looks like a natural blowout. It's really flowy. So yeah, Xrsbeauty really did a good job with this wig.
Flipping pages since I could remember, that told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in, so take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance.
So you literally get the best of both worlds. Lace is on 10 because it's so undetectable, beautiful clear lace wig. And look at it. Look, you see the volume? It just like, it's the perfect density. It's not heavy at all. Very manageable, very, you know, trendy. It's really nice. So guys, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so go ahead, check that out. If you're interested in purchasing it, the direct link is there. All the specifications, all that jazz. Shout out to Xrsbeauty for this gorgeous wig once more. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, bye.
Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith.